made your choice. Now you come and you say this and this. And when you were appointed by me, you never said I'm a dictator. When we went to go fetch you after they spit you out and told you to shut up, Michalis, George, when you were telling us how racist they are, when you were having lives how racist they are, when they attacked you, we protected you as the PA. The Patriots protected you. When they were attacking you, after you left, we protected you. We protected you, but jy gaan deactivate as ons klas met jou op social media. Jy sal niks post hier nie, jy kan nie vir ons sê. So los ons uit, gaan aan, go on your social media, people will forget about you because we will deal with you on social media. If you want to continue talking crap about the PA. PA is not a culture of coconuts, it's true divan. Let me tell you something, ons is grondhonde. Ons is op die grond. Ons is met ons mense. You come and talk like that's cadre deployment. Who's a cadre? Who's a cadre who's a comrade? Who's a cadre here in PA? Show me one person. You're too used to be where colored people don't get jobs. That's your problem. And when you see them start getting jobs, you start talking smack like that. You were given a statement to read. So for me, because I really have a soft spot for you, Los die PA se naam. You came to me before you joined the PA, you said, hey man, can these guys stop attacking me? And I told them to stop. These people are very disciplined, but don't play with their party. Join whoever you want to join. If you've joined the DA, gaan daar by die DA. You think, you know, I was telling my son today, I said to him, my boy, that's a master class on how not to make yourself be trusted by people. Social media is already giving you a lot of crap, I saw. You thought this was going to be a big announcement. So I'm asking you nicely, Los Mari PA, and don't lie about us. Don't talk about us. We are not perfect. Me, I'm not a perfect person. Let me tell you something about me. When people start saying things about me, I'm like, it's true. It's true, I'm not perfect. I'm the least perfect person. I am the least perfect person. I am. Do you think die wit mense rook koerantpapier? Jy dink hulle gaan so trust? You think they'll ever trust you? You saw what Truther and them said already about you. Sy gaan lelik vasloop, my boy. Los maar die PA uit. Gaan aan met jou werke. Gaan na by die DA, jy is nog by die huis. You are there where you want to be. You've made your choice. Out of respect for your father, I'm giving you this warning to say, los die PA se naam uit jou mond uit. We wish you well. You can say all the things you said. You said what you wanted to say. You are now released from us. Send me ask one question. Show us your fruit when you were here by us. Show us your fruit. So every tree must bear fruits. So, Chezabari DA, the same people that was calling you lots of names, they will never make you forget. En hulle gaan jou uitspoeg. En as hulle jou uitspoeg, I'll be there to pick you up for a second time. I want you to know that. And when Liam didn't work the ground, when we were working, he went to Rwanda, never worked the ground with us. So we could see he's on his way out, so we knew. So yesterday when I was speaking about a man, about him, that one can leave, but 100 comes in. He's never understood. PA is not a middle class, upper middle class party. We are on the ground. We are the lowest LSM, the lowest people that has no incomes vote for the PA. The people with no money, people with no opportunities, people with nothing. He cannot speak to them, and he's never spoken to them. We've tried to move him around, I'm telling you. But it doesn't take away that he's a very talented young man. Doesn't take away. I have to think, it doesn't take away from it. Even him, when we spoke about Cheslin, like, I don't know how he took the fact that Cheslin came in. Because I think he once told me they have a little bit of beef. But you can see when Cheslin came in, there was a big change in our strategy of thing. And Liam was saying to me, hey, yeah, I think I'm not the right person for the mayoral candidate. He said it to me. And I agreed with him. Because he just couldn't break through the answer mensa. And for me, I could never let Liam go. I found him at Parliament, and I had to put him back there. Because I can't step him in the back like that. He trusted the PA. He came. And I was saying to them, guys, let him go to Parliament. Maybe we can see, but the ground is not for him. Now, the problem with, if you, and I say it respectfully, and don't say I call Liam a dog, because I know this is how you're going to spin it. But I'll make an example. I call myself a grondhond. Ek is a grondhond. But you see, when you have a kennel, when you have a kennel, and you have a dog in that kennel, and you fasten that dog with a chain, and the chain is just 10 meters, or not even 10 meters, 5 meters. If you have a long chain of 5 meters, and you fasten that dog for a very long time, and that dog, every time the dog wants to run, he can't run because then the chain catches him back. And for years, that dog will know this chain is this long, so I can't go further than the chain. But when you unfasten that chain, that dog wouldn't know that he's free. He will not walk free in the yard. He will still stay 5 meters from the kennel. So we don't mind if Liam leaves. We saw this already. We spoke as leaders. Ons het hom lank al gesien kom. The problem with Liam is that I never put him next to me. Like I put Mbiza. Like I put Mishay. Like I put the SG. Like I put Mary. I never put him next to me. Never. Because I knew they want to understand me. They want to understand how I operate, how I move. And I saw this thing a long time ago. Like, ek kan nie vir hom kort sê sit langs aan my nie. Hy gaat dinge sien, hoor, discuss. I did that with Mbiza. I did that with many leaders in the PA. Dan sit ek hulle hier langs aan my en sê, kom hier, dis hoe ons werk. This is what we do. This is how we do this thing. So he did what he did, which I must respect him. Man, let me tell you something. I'm older than 12. If Liam wants war with PA, he should continue with what he's continuing with. We'll make social media for him very uncomfortable. But we don't want to do that. We want to wish him well. He said a month ago, he doesn't like the politics of attacking. Today he's attacking us. This is the man that said he doesn't want politics of attacking. We've never started to attack him. Ons is nie in 'n coma nie. Moenie 'n fout maak nie. Jy sal niks post hier op die social media. Ons sal ons hele attention by jou direct. But we don't want to do that. So, bamba yourself, Masakant. Bamba yourself. That's number 1.